podcast, which I did some time back in 2015, just very in the nutshell, and maybe one idea of connecting universe, what I'm doing currently, basically that.
Right. So, can we be good to go, sir?
I think we are okay. Yeah.
So, formally, I would like to welcome sir.
Yeah. Thank
Good
you.
morning, very good morning, one and all. Today we have with us for the Alumni Talk series, Mr. Sanjay Gupta, who's the alumnus of IRM. He is from the second batch, and he has exposure of different trades, from storm waters to management to civil and drainage, constructions, oil and gas, waterproofing, manufacturing. He is a gem of all. I mean, he's been mastered in everything. He's been thoughtful. He has been a leader. He has been a strategist. And my words go boundless for this purpose. When I'm talking about Sir, he is a true epitome of the statue that we have, the one who has carved himself out. The vision of Sir, that is Thomas Kangan Sir, which was there to when he uh, uh, when he started the institute, he had that particular uh, something in mind, that is to to build the professionals, and wherein alumni would carve themselves out. He has been an exemplary example of that. So I welcome you on behalf of all the members here. We as team, I would like to once again welcome you, and I would
Thank you.
like to again formally give the exposure of the particular topic that we have today. That
Yeah.
is, yeah,
Yeah.
that is global networking through LinkedIn and beyond, which is the need of an hour. I think that
Yeah.
is
Yeah.
must thing that has been there. So over to you, and I would think you would be the right person to take it further, sir.
Thank you, Tejani madam and Jessie madam and Barbara Kangan madam. And yes, we were associated with this college at that time when it was a room, sort of it's a research space near that around. I forget that name. The I don't know. It was in the city, main city,
Mansur.
and
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. And then we shifted this college from that room to the big institute, which is currently in Mansarovar. So we have gone through this process, and we were going to Thomas Kangan sir for parties and these things. So they used to have on the roof like their home. So that was the time. But yes, thanks very much for this opportunity. Actually, I'm not a, like you can say, professional speaker or who speak and speak. No, I will be more like an interactive person who will give opportunity to the student who have, even if they have a 5 question, probably answering those 5 questions with illustration will be really beneficial for everybody. So I think what I will start with a small presentation, which is a very crisp. Then I can go to my LinkedIn profile, and then my vision to connect this universe and how I develop this network of say 25 million people, and probably one of my podcast, which is very nice, and it was launched globally by an American in 2015. So I think this will be basic of my uh, presentation, or you can say interaction, or and anybody is welcome. So I don't know how will be the question will be asking you, and you will reiterate the questions, or people can ask question directly.
So I'll allow them to ask them directly. I think
Okay,
that would
okay,
be the better way.
okay. Let us keep it like this. So let's start with this small presentation so that people can have an organization how this LinkedIn profile can work. So if there are some people who have not yet, let's say, made a LinkedIn profile, so I will tell them what to do. This is the basic. And second, uh, their search before joining my network and after joining my network, it will be entirely different. They cannot believe what will change, because my direct relations, say around between 300,000 to 1 million. So when they connect me, they become second right now, if they are, let's say, third connected to me, then it will be like first connected and their search will entirely change. So let me start with this small sharing the screen. So people can see the screen?
Yes, sir, perfectly.
Okay, okay. So this is just, this was 2018, one of the event I conducted actually in Dubai, Grand Hyatt. This was for Thapar Institute, Gautam Thapar and other people, all dignitary from Thapar Institute came. It was 150 strong gathering of alumni. This was a very successful event and I was the key organizing this event. So now we are talking here global networking. So global networking basically mean how you can leverage the whole of the globe to your resources, so that whenever you have an initiative, global in nature or local in nature, that global networking can be utilized for your know-how or resources or sourcing anything or the knowledge or any other purpose. So what we are going to do today, let's start with LinkedIn. So LinkedIn, I'm not sure how these people they can respond. How many people are still on LinkedIn, or 100% people are on LinkedIn, or there are yet few people who have to join this network. But LinkedIn, uh, just to give people idea, there are people are know more about the Facebook. So Facebook will be okay for celebrating or fun, entertainment, that's okay. And friendship is a very different type of friendship. Even likes and share doesn't mean anything. Then you have an Instagram. Instagram is similar like this. For a student, there is a Snapchat. Then there is a Twitter. Twitter is more like a celebrity thing where you tweet and the people who are being most followed. So people receive their tweet as news. So this is the basic difference. But on LinkedIn, LinkedIn is like you're a business showcase. So in this nowadays, even when you apply for a job or you receive inquiry from LinkedIn or you receive inquiry from a recruiter or a business owner, he will immediately check your LinkedIn profile. For example, me, somebody from Europe or America, he want to have a tie-up with me, seeing my network. So first thing I will do, I will see his name and I will check on LinkedIn. Because of my network, I'm easily accessible to anybody, second or third level network. This I will explain you in the next slide. What does it mean? Like 1 level, 2 level, 3 level, up to 6 level. So we are going to discuss briefly about LinkedIn, and then people are creative. See, I treat these students are more creative than me, more intelligent than me, and more vocal than me. So in all, they are more powerful than me. If person like me can create so much of global network that even Silicon Valley follow me because of my few groups which went world class, I think anybody out of this crowd, whoever is, even these are fresher or first year or second year, they can do a lot. And I will support them with whatever I learned during last 25 years in Gulf or India or whatever. I will explain one by one. So level of network, this one I was talking about level of network. So generally what happens when they join LinkedIn, they will see they are at the zero network. Then they connect with somebody, one, let's say Dr. Jesse or Dr. Terjani or me. So we become their first contact. Then my first level network, our second level network to them. Then so on. So my second level network will be third level network for them. So on goes on. But as per my information or as per my update, in globe, everybody is connected maximum 6 level. There is no 7 level. So this was issued officially by Facebook also, and LinkedIn also say. So now you can imagine anybody in this world is not far away from me, second or third level. So I have crossed this battle, and this is not small. It's like plus 25 million. So you will find lot of dignitary. It can be Hyperloop, it can be Obama, or some of them are my direct connection. But it doesn't mean that they know me very well or I'm dealing with them. No. Sometimes what happens due to political reason and due to for other reason, and there are approaches, people accept request. So this is one of the message I want to give. There is no hindrance that as a beginner, you cannot request to connect with anybody in this world. There is no hindrance. So you have to remove this fear of connecting. Sometimes we think that this guy is so high profile, why he will accept my request? Just for your information, I am so connected. Like I have a direct 25,000 connections and I have 25,000 followers. And I have groups which is 250,000. So in it's all is becoming 300,000. Still, if somebody approach me with a LinkedIn request, irrespective of his level, irrespective of his education, I accept that request. So this is the way networking goes. So you have to hit and trial. Sometimes some people will not see your request. They are not very active on LinkedIn, but there are some people who will accept your request within seconds. And that become your bridge to reach the globe. For example, as I say always, if you are connected to me, you are connected to the globe easily. So this is what my question was for everybody. If somebody, I don't know, want to reply in comments or how we can interact, but where are you? So there will be some people who have not opened LinkedIn account. There are some people who have, for example, 1,000 connections. There are some people who have maybe 5,000 connections. And there are few people who have started the account, but they have not working actively. Like maybe they have 1 or 2 connections. So it depends upon you, where are you? But yes, if somebody has this interest to join and to go ahead, I'm always there. And I know some people who are very active on LinkedIn still, and before even joining the institute, somehow they find it on the LinkedIn and they send me requests. So that is the proactive nature. Now, this is I think what I wanted to convey actually through this institute. This was the first thing, alumni connectivity. I don't know how many people know, but for example, I connected the whole Thapar Institute, an engineering college where I did engineering, and right from 1956 to even current student, if they have any initiative, for example, Team Fateh, they are doing Formula 1. Then you have a EDC cell, which is Entrepreneurship Development Cell. Then you have a Saturnalia, which is cultural event. Then there are a lot of events. They always invite me so that even my spread will make their event spread globally. And because I connected all alumni from Thapar for last 60 years, so people are spread over globally. So I think due to that, there is no company in the world or there is no city in the world where I don't have connection. So that is a slightly bigger statement, but yes, almost I covered everything, which helped me. If somebody asked me before shifting to Dubai, yes, I'm connected and I can make his life easy or her. Or when he's coming to move company, people send me a request. How is this company? I'm going to join, or they have sent me offer. Is this a genuine company? Their payment is good. So on that front also, I can help them. So this is the easy, like alumni connectivity. I found it very easy. So alumni, what we can count, school. So my schools, I connected my school, which is TWEI School Fagwada, then Ramgarhia. We are connected now, almost everybody. And I did 10th in, for example, 86 and 12th in 88. So people are connected when they have a families and children are grown up and married, but still we are connected. But that helped me immediately, like whenever I'm going to Phagwara, these guys are available on the road to meet and to arrange a get together. That give a different player. And this can be commercial activity also. Sometimes when we are looking for a partner in Phagwara, so these guys will immediately tell us that how we can connect with this guy or this trade or this guy. So reliable people. Same like university, IRM. Yes, I'm connected. I came in Milap also. And then I keep in connected with here in Dubai also, the people who are there and globally. And because we were the pioneer batches, so it is our responsibility also to gather these things and to help younger generation, so that now almost it is, I think, 25 years or more than 25 years. First batch was in 96. Yeah. So 4 and 2024. Yeah. So this, I think the next year, 21 will be Silver Jubilee. So this suggestion I gave in Milap, that let us celebrate this 21 as a mega event, probably maybe slightly away from college. Sometimes what happens in Jaipur or Delhi, like these are feasibilities, which is possible. So a lot of people can join. Hopefully this corona, we recover from this corona. Then workplace. Workplace is an amazing, amazing alumni. So when you work with people, sometimes same college, like one of the guy from IRM who joined me in JK Lakshmi Cement from the campus, he's still friend. So I left Lakshmi Cement long back, say 2005, like 15 years back, but he's still there. So immediately it gives a very good connectivity for the organization and for helping juniors. What is the process of this company? What is the organization of this company? What is the politics in this company? How we can enter this company? How we can grow this company? These all things help. Okay, LinkedIn profile components. This is what is the basic. I want to go to very basic so that people can see their LinkedIn profile, discuss these things, and then they can come back to me. Or these are like, you can have self learning skills. Immediately they can make out what is good for them, what is not good for them. On that basis, they can develop and develop and develop, so that it can leverage them to getting career, getting opportunities, getting startups. So profile picture is very basic. Profile picture should be, some people put it some old pictures or some different type of picture, but what I suggest, I think it should be more focused towards the face or slightly formal. That will help. Headline is very interesting. I will show my profile and I will show you one headline. That is not the ideal one, but yes, that is one of the things which is saying in probably 20 words, it is giving 20 stories. Headline should be such that going through these 200 letters, people know about you, what type of passion you have, what type of education you have, what type of company you are working, and what type of skills you have. Contact info, this is very interesting. Contact info is your contacts. Sometimes some people don't fill this contact info. If you are at Twitter, if you are at Insta, if you are at Skype, if you are at Facebook, for example, if you own your own website or your phone number or your date of birth, how people will wish you or how people will contact you, it is up to you. You want to become a slightly transparent, slightly open person, or you want to close your personality. If you want to close your personality, probably you are not required here. So that you have to decide. For example, like this, one of the example. So face and this, and you have a very nice feature here. You can put cover photo also. So many people I saw, they don't put cover photo. If you see, I will show you my profile. The cover photo is full of energy. And this was a business plan session I had conducted in Thapar. So one of the guy, Neil Sheridan, top personality from US, he came, and the student, and everybody is cheerful. That is a closing, like a closing ceremony pic of that event. I will show you. So this also I will show you there. So you can see the universities which you belong. Immediately in this small thing, you get all the answer. This is the contact info. I will explain in this, let's say, my profile for 5 minutes. This is also again carrying on the same. So, okay, activity. Activity is, liking a post, commenting on a post, and sharing a post. This is very small secret. Now, if, for example, Dr. Tejani, she liked my post, so my post will be showing on her wall. That means immediately all the students who are following Dr. Tejani, they can see this post and they can like or comment or share. This is the leverage of networking. You have to open up, and it helps. Sometimes some people post a request for the job or internship. So you will see now it is happening. I have seen in students, immediately they will like and they will comment, commenting for the better reach. That is the same simple statement. So you have to increase your reach, and you have to help people to increase reach. Sometimes you cannot do something for you, but yes, somebody can do for you. So it's give and take. You help others and people will help you. Featured. This is also, I will show you the live example. In the feature, you can put like a CV, like your article, like I put my podcast, or you have something done very good, like a scholar papers, people do the research and these things. So it depends. Opportunities are infinite. Experience is very simple. People can put experience in such a way that this experience relate to the people who are finding you for the job. So that means recruiter or the company owners who need some people. So your experience should be relevant in such a way that they can give you opportunity. Or even like a startup, they are always looking for seasoned people for making tie-up with them. So they can have a very good experience. If somebody worked for Microsoft 20 years, yes, he can be a like CTO position. So these things open immediate opportunity. Education, again, education, try to, for example, whenever you are clicking the college, there is very good opportunity, and your colleges are available in the options given by LinkedIn. So always choose the official one that will connect you to the official alumni and the official administration of the college. This helps because some people, when they click that, so they find you are related with your college. So on that basis, sometimes this networking work, because it happens. The recruiter might be from your college or might be. So if he find the correct route, he might give you an opportunity. License and certification. This is again very simple. I always mention, like what I did, because for learning this all social media, I did a digital marketing course also. Basically to go inside what is happening and what are the key factors, and it was very beneficial. Then design thinking. I always give example to the people. Design thinking is something between engineering and the arts, which we call it humanities. This is a very nice feature which is bringing flexibility of the art and correctness of engineering. So this make a very good subject. You will find it on the profile. Volunteering, again, because of on the disability front, I have a real story to tell, like about my daughter. She has 100% hearing loss, and she able to speak. And then she's studying in UT Dallas computer science. She has driving license. So this is why I always try to help the disabled families. Why families? Because a small help, small tip, not even money, that can change a life, like our life was changed. And really, that small things can be really big, which make a big difference. Yesterday's KBC was already on this only, like deaf and dumb, how these things and people, how perceive, what are the hurdles. There is a big subject, inclusion and what you call it, the involvement and the removal of the disc from the ability, which is a different. So all the ability which people say disability has to be treated as different ability. So we have to see the ability which can create for positivity and for results, not what is lacking. That is enough. Skills and endorsement. So many people I have seen profile, the new beginner profile, they don't add skill. If you don't add skill, how people will endorse, how people will support you, how people will recommend you for which skill you are fit. People say, no, I need internship, I need job. But for what? You have to create a space for you. You have to create some skills on which you can bank upon and which can be recommended in such a way that you can get a job or at least opportunity to speak at that forum. There is one more thing, before accomplishment, actually, there is a recommendation also, which probably I did not put, I will show in the profile. Recommendation is when you ask a recommendation. This is very good actually. People have to ask and people have to give. Be liberal in giving so that you get in return. I have seen, this is especially attitude in India. People, when even they are saying somebody thank you, they are thinking so much holding that they cannot say anybody thank you also or sorry also. Why? You have to thank even for a small thing, and in return what you get will be a surprise. So recommendation is one thing. I will show again in the profile. Accomplishment, again, there are very small things, which is you can add languages. See, languages, your skill or your hobbies, your passion, these all can be there. And anybody, like I play TT, immediately player student who played TT, I'm very close to him. Immediately, I was doing Norton T. So anybody who is doing street player, he's very close to me, because that need a real art or real performance or real skill. Interest, again, this is very interesting. I will show you in the profile. Interest is like groups, the companies, the people you follow, or the other thing, the special interests you have. That is giving very good inclination or very good idea about the people who is making this profile. Why? Because immediately when a recruiter or a guy who wants you, he will see what type of interests you have. And these interests will lead you sometime to the good opportunity, even in a click. Okay, this is very important. This probably need another session. Keyword for a better search. This is a full science. Now, keyword has to be worked very beautifully. Your profile, even your CV, even your content, even your website should be having those keywords which can be search point for somebody who is looking for you. For example, for a guy working in IT, he should have those minimum keywords which somebody, when he's looking for a candidate, he will look these words. This is very interesting work, and a lot of creativity is required, and lot of study is required, lot of research is required. So this one again, I will show you one example. So when you search for a company or a name, so you have 6-7 parameter through which you can search on LinkedIn. So this is the main thing about the search. So you can search people with that, like Microsoft. So people in Microsoft, jobs, so jobs in Microsoft, events, so events in Microsoft, content, where any publish or any news is there where Microsoft is as a content, school or university. If there is some school, university with Microsoft name, because lot of organization, for example, JP or any Thapar or any, these are companies also, but they open universities also. So with that name, you can find out the groups. I will emphasize because I have been very successful globally due to these groups. When I came to Dubai, so my family was in India. At that time, I had an ample opportunity, and here Dubai, you get a lot of time to explore, to live your life, because you don't have to stick to the job because your boss is there. There is no culture like this, like in India. So now, so I started LinkedIn at that time. It was 2007 August, and LinkedIn started in November 2005. So I was like a pioneer. I started two groups. One was Linking Construction, one was Abu Dhabi UAE, One was Thaparian. Thaparian is good, doing good, 6,000 out of like 25,000, which is very good number on LinkedIn. Then Linking Construction became world famous, and I'm one of the best in the world in connecting the construction activities. Like now it is reaching 1,90,000. Out of this 1,90,000, more than 100,000 are business owner from US only. So what happens? Now I will tell you the second part of this. Because of this group, Silicon Valley companies who are launching app related with construction or sometime related with software, they approach me. They want their product to be shared by me or approved by me through my LinkedIn group so that they can have leverage. And I have benefited like 50 odd companies globally. So out of this, 35 are from US only, some from UK, some from Switzerland, and one of them from Africa also. But sorry to say, India, where my best resourceful network is there, but probably from India, nobody is that practical, or I don't know, they don't have vision, but nobody approached me for this benefit, which I can do probably at no cost. So this is another thing. Then Abu Dhabi group also, all the top personality in Gulf, they joined this group, and this group became like a very famous group in this region. And I'm a like a simple personality, but through this group, I became like a celebrity. So this can be one of the point, like even for institute, even IRMIAN. I said IIRM, IAN, IRMIAN. I have a group. There are, I think, 1,000 people are there, which is doing good. So this is an opportunity. You can follow the group of your passion, of your products, of your events. Also, you can start a group, which I call it like a initiative or motivation. Some people have this initiative and they can do wonders, you know. And company, of course, company with that search name Microsoft. So you will find Microsoft company and any company registered with Microsoft. Activity for better reach, again same, like, comment, share. And there is a story. I don't know if some people have seen stories. This is very nice feature. Again, when you put the story, so immediately people are tempted to see it. So sometimes you interact with your even not directly related network, but they approach you through story, and this can become a easy network, and they can follow you, or you can start following them, and then it can. I think this is all. Any question at this moment, or then I will briefly show this LinkedIn profile, sharing with the other people, so that these are the things, my LinkedIn profile or Facebook, Twitter, anybody. I'm like an open person. Anybody can join and anybody can request. And so I think, madam, this is a very brief. We took already, I think, half an hour. Yeah. So do you want to take a question, or I show one specimen profile, my profile, so that people can benefit?
So yes, I would request if you can show the profile so that they'll have an idea first.
Okay, before that, okay, let me, where is my profile? One second. This is Facebook. I think 1 second, I have to go back. Yeah, this one is okay. Yeah. Okay. So now I will very briefly now, it will take only a few minutes. So this is the cover picture which I was saying. See here, this pic has very good personalities actually when you see in detail. So you see the momentum and you see the cheers. This is my profile pic. Okay. So this is company showing this. This is the which I was saying name, and then you have a feature where you can pronounce your name, because my profile is being looked after by say 200 countries personality, so they can pronounce my name. Some people in Arabic or European, they don't pronounce the name, so they can listen here. You see? Okay, and this is the see headline. Very brief, very brief. You can see this everything what I do. Then you go down. Then this is the contact info. See, LinkedIn profile, my website, my phone number, my address, my email, Twitter, both, and then my birthday. Then you go down. This is about. This is the again the very nice feature here. I concised it now. So this is your almost CV. This is the feature where I put my resume and my speech, and we can put anything, podcast. Then we go, this is very interesting, dashboard. See dashboard, who viewed your profile. This is a very strong point of networking. Who viewed your profile, that means either he is interested or you came in this search. See search appearance, 625 search appearance, and article views. So whatever article you wrote, these people viewed it. So if I click this, you will see recently these people visited. So I can connect with them. See, now this guy, for example, just to show you, I send them this also probably looking like. So you go back again. Then next thing is manage followers. I have a huge follower list. So you can see the activity. So here, thanks, madam. So I'm whatever. You can see here, if I show you. So you can see all activity, articles, posts, and documents. These are made by us. These are the posts which I posted. These are the articles which we did. And these are the all activity, the people who liked and their walls. Then this is experience, which is okay. Company or even my personal company is there. Then alumni association, more 5 experience. Okay, going down. This is LinkedIn has made more transparent also, because here in Europe and Gulf, more culture of transparent. India, some people like to hide something, like, you know, sometime it works, sometime it doesn't work. So this is the education, again, the colleges, even the schools. This is licensed design thinking and digital marketing. I am putting volunteer experience this. So MET, I'm in School of Management and Commerce advisory board of MET also. So 21st also we have some session. So these are also helping in networking. Immediately people feel connected. So these are the one, and mentor, okay, global mentor. So these are the Thapar College where I'm mentor. So they are global. This is another front. They are very good organization, NGO. When Purvi came for a speech also, this skills and endowment, take skill quiz. People can add new skill and people can take quiz. So here, if you see this, the numbers are very high. So a lot of people will endorse you for the skills and these things. Going down, these are the recommendations. So you ask for a recommendation and you give recommendation. These are the accomplishment I was saying. Languages. So these are languages. Immediately people honors and awards, organization, project, publication. This is very interesting. I will open this. This interest is very just one second. So here you can see the influencers who influence me. These are the companies which I follow. These are the groups I'm part of, or I created groups. These are the schools we follow, or which I like to follow, or this. I think that's it. I think this is more than enough. And there is one more feature I will show you to the young kid. Okay, now here You can see this. Okay. So home, my network, for example, you can immediately see the network. See how many students. This is what I treated as a result, madam. Now, immediately when we are sitting, how many people they have requested. This is what happened. I took one Frosh week in Thapar. So 650 people attended. This was a new theater. So almost like inaugurated. In 1 hour, 100 requests came. So this is the dynamism of now these people immediately they will connect and they will see their search will entirely change. And here you can see a lot of things. See connection, teammate, contacts, people follow, groups, events, pages. These are things. And here you will find another thing that people who have sent request or like you have to manage. See, so sent request is there. And then received request, you can justify. These can be regularly. These are the jobs, search for your next job. These are the messaging, messages is good. And these are the, again, just notifications. That's it. And this is very nice feature. If you see, reactivate premium for free. So when they get slightly inside the LinkedIn, then they can reactivate this premium for free for 1 month. That will give them, you can say, infinite opportunity to connect. Anybody they can send request, anybody they can send recommendation. Otherwise, things are limited. For person like me, who is so gone, now I have very limited things which I can. And this is another thing, which is visit more LinkedIn products. So these are the products to come on the other level, where you have a learning solution, marketing, post a job, sales solution, and these are like a paid services which will be required at some time. I think this one is done. So I wanted to have, this is my initiative, Connecting Universe, basically networking, alumni, health, education, career. I help a lot of people for internship jobs. I try to do. Social care is this. Startup, I keep connecting the NGOs, global NGO. I connected like around 500 startup from Thapar and all the like 1,000, you can say in general, who are not in that part, and the global VCs and these things I keep connecting. And I have some vision also for this. This we will discuss sometime next. Connecting dots, events, opportunities. So these are basically, and then this one, I will show you one more thing. 1 second. Yeah, this one, the last. This is the podcast, which I did in 2015. This guy was after me and I was not giving, then he catch me on Skype and he took, so you see from member 40 to 138, it has become 56 and this has become 190. You can see. And here my very simple approach, take time to focus to the relationship at all costs. So I use holidays, birthdays, and other occasion to reach out to people. So if I'm reaching out at least 1 or 2 times in a year, people remember me. This is the idea, 3-prong approach. So here also, I connected all the construction activity, construction companies, and I connected them. So this is one of the point. I visit a lot of people, I meet a lot of people. Then the alumni, and any opportunity you get, credibility. This is another, some people make network, then they immediately go for a job for it. No, it's not like this. When you burn your network, it cannot be used for something else. You have to first reach to that level so that people should give you opportunity. Be a connector. Some people don't like to connect people because if I connect, that guy will be benefited. No, you have to come out of it. You have to benefit people so that people can benefit you in a positive way. That's okay. Disabled like this on social front, attend in person. Yeah, I think that's it. All done. So we are okay. Yes, madam. All yours.
Thank you so much, sir. It was actually an enlightening session, and even we have a great learning today. Many of the things that even were missed out by us, we have been into exposed thing towards LinkedIn, sir. I could see that you have been having more than 25,000 connections. That's great, sir. We don't have that much connection. Certainly, your aim of connecting the world is being clearly stated and has been fulfilling with that, sir. So I have the session is open for the students to ask questions.
Yeah.
Right. since they probably must be thinking, they are allowed to put that in the chat box, and I prefer them asking one by one by raising
Yeah,
their
yeah, yeah.
hands.
No problem, no problem. As you do, this is all yours. Yeah.
So basically, till they are asking, I had certain things in my mind. So, I mean, this is what we talk about networking.
Yeah.
And these are the best ways of networking, rightly said by
Yeah.
you. So
Yeah.
my question and doubt is, what is not networking? Since they are mostly there on networking sites and all, but what is not networking? They must be also clear with that as well.
I think, see, sometime what happens, there are some things which go beyond your control. I think maybe because, see, what happens, we have limited resources and what we can do is very limited. Means, I don't know how to put it like this. Like you want to reach somebody, but still you can't reach. And so you have to leave those points there. Means you cannot reach everything. Even me, I cannot reach everybody, and I am not acceptable to everybody. So probably that point you have to leave there, and you have to work on the things which are possible, which are in reach, and which are creating positivity. Sometime negativity come across, because I also you can say so many people send some messages which are not required, or which profiles are spam, or which profiles are just fake. So that is not networking. So that I think you have to avoid at certain point. So I also have to keep some limits on certain things. Some people join the network just to misuse it. That is not networking. For example, I see one place. So one girl, very good networker, she was putting a post, like an official post, that some people reach them, they get the number, and then they send the not proper messages. That is not networking. So I think there is a thin line between limits that we have to adhere to, and we have to take care of people's private space. That is not networking. Yeah.
So I would invite students also. They can raise their hands and ask questions. I think Abhishek Parekh has a question. Yes, Abhishek, please switch on your camera.
And unmute also. Abhishek, unmute. Yeah.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Hi, Abhishek.
Thank you, sir. Sir, it was our pleasure to interact with you and see your enormous experience that you have acquired till past years. So I wanted to ask one thing, sir, that if I am connecting with a top managerial level person, for example, just I am connecting with you and I want some mentorship advices or something advice from you for my future, or for a certain placement criteria or internship, something like that. So what should be my approach? So directly
Okay.
should I connect with you and ask for advices or something like that, or go beyond that?
No. It's very simple. There are this world is consist of all plus and minus people. So for example, me, I'm always available for everybody. This is my aim. So I'm like more like a social entrepreneur, and I have a lot of plan which you will come to know in another 2 years what I'm going to do. But you can approach, for example, me or person like me. I know a lot of people are there, and I can tell you one small exercise. If you're sitting at home for 1 hour, just scroll down to my profile and go till bottom, and then you will get all the answers for mentoring, startup, or even anything, for job or placement. Everything you will find it here. And the type of network which I have, what will happen first? You are connected to me or not yet? Your voice gone.
Unmute your
Yeah.
Abhishek. Abhishek? Yes, unmute
Yeah.
yourself.
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm the host.
Yeah.
Some
No,
issue on that side.
no problem.
Yes,
You are connected to me or not? First question.
sir, I'll be sending you connection
Okay.
request
Okay.
now.
Now I will
I
tell
have
you. I
just
will tell.
visited your profile just
No,
now.
I will tell you. I will tell you. If you have not sent the request, keep it for 1 hour and search some keyword. Think 5 keyword. Say Microsoft. Say IBM. Say Thapar. Whatever. Say IRM. Search and take the screenshot of that search. And then send me a request. I will accept your request. Then same 5 word you search. It will be a difference of the world. That's it. So when you are connected to me, let's say you are connected to the globe. So your search will improve, your connectivity will improve. Immediately you will be able to see the people in your profile, and it will be very easy for you. Another thing, you go through my profile in length till bottom and see what you find for your relevance. This will benefit everybody. I'm answering you, but I'm answering all the attendees.
Right, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir, for
Okay.
your advice. Thank you.
Welcome. Next.
Any other questions that we can have? So meanwhile, they probably must have been thinking about the questions, and they
No
must.
problem. No problem. Yeah.
I must share that sir is your alumnus, and he's the one who you can connect with easily.
Yeah.
I know the faculty for that concern. You're among has been a student as well, and must be, you would be very happy that he is your alumnus. So if you have certain doubts and questions, you can easily raise and ask sir in that particular manner. So meanwhile, they've been asking questions. I have something in my mind. So when we're talking about social networking, how about Twitter and blogging? We have.
Yeah. Actually, if you see briefly, I told about Twitter. Twitter is celebrity thing. Let us say. So you have a very less follower, and because people don't follow Twitter too much, so you will tweet at least 1 or 2 people, 5 people, 10 people will be there. Example for Narendra Modi or some celebrity. Immediately, many people will follow that, will read that. It is more like a newspaper. So you give your idea, or Twitter can be utilized in very nice way that the hot agendas, the news or the celebrity, Bollywood or anything, you can reply to them or you can comment on them. I have seen, for example, Kapil Sharma during these days, he's replying to common people, which was not happening before. So these are some changes which are happening. So interaction is the key. And blogging is a very nice channel. You can create website like just now Purvi created purvigupta.com, for example, or like I have this. So you can blog and vlog. Now people are issuing vlog also and YouTube channel also, and these can become resources for remuneration also. These are very nice channel and to convey, and sometime you hit the spot and you become a celebrity, like your thing go viral. Yes.
I think, sir, yes, we are living in a digital age, and
Yeah.
it is actually about digitalization and
Yeah.
more about connections only that we have to talk about.
Yeah. Correct.
Yeah, so this is the where Abhishek Parekh has a question, sir. I would
No problem. Yeah.
Yes, please, Abhishek.
Yeah.
Sir, again, I have a question.
No problem.
As you mentioned in LinkedIn that we could write down our experiences too. So, sir, is it good to write experience of just our positivities, or we could also write down our failures also?
No, anything. See, I tell you about this. I never give event interview. I always interact. I tell you, the idea behind this is whatever you can defend, you can put it. There is no bar. I tell you, people are teaching like this. that you have to do this, you have to don't do this, nothing. The failure teach you more than success. Success can be fluke, but failure cannot be fluke. I'm telling you. And nowadays, this is a pure subject, that how to define your failure so that it become example for million people. If you can reiterate your failure properly, and if you can convince, and if you can defend that failure, nothing like it.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Very rightly said, sir. Coming from our failures, even rightly said, sir.
Yeah.
So I think, sir, that is it. Thank you for.
Ankita Singh raised.
Yes, please, Ankita. Switch on your cameras, Ankita, webcam, and also unmute yourself.
Hi,
Hello,
sir.
Ankita.
Good afternoon.
Hello, Ankita.
Sir, actually, you have talked about the importance of networking and the negative side as well. So, I just want to know how we can actually identify that the person we are getting connected with will not misuse our connections or will not misuse our information.
No, you cannot know. You cannot know. Actually, it is like this. You have to go in the fire to get the burn. Otherwise you can't feel it. Because if you like me, I accept everybody's you can say request, correct?
Yes, sir.
But there are always, let's say, out of 100, say not even one person who just use as a spam. So he doesn't damage me. Only there are some people who are doing spam, who will approach me, who will get my email, then he will send me an email which I will not accept, or I know it is a spam. That's it. See, anybody can do these social media. If you go through properly, even Facebook, even LinkedIn, one person can burn his card one time.
Yes, sir.
But there are enough security feature, and their customer care is working so nice. You can make them block, or you can at least put your point. In Facebook also this happen. Sometimes by mistake or something, some content is published. But yes, you can report it and you can inform them, and maybe you can block them. That's it. But sometimes it happens by mistake also, but you cannot identify, because what will happen, I tell you, this I never discuss negativity.
Yes, sir.
Let negativity happen, I convert it in positivity. So I'm like this. So for me, if I start discussing negativity, the 100 times positive will diminish. You understand? So
Yes, sir.
I see it is like this. I cannot negate 100 positive for one negative. No, better I deal with that negative, but I will keep my network open and positive. So it's up to you. When you start thinking about negativity, the problem with negativity is it kills you, not others. It's like a fear.
So actually, I got connected with a person. He
Yeah.
asked for my resume. Then
Yeah.
he was like, "I'll talk to my higher authority."
Yeah.
Then right away, I sent him the email, and he started calling me, and he started mailing me regarding my personal interest and everything, my hobbies and all. So I just wanted to know how can actually we identify or differentiate between that person is not the right person to connect with.
Yeah.
So actually, this was the main question.
Yeah. No, you are correct. Actually, see, the issue is same thing. People need job, correct?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
I tell you about recruiter, because I have seen lot of posts on LinkedIn, because I'm a very keen observer and I'm very well networked. So I came to know about everything. So there are some people who will publish this jobs, 5 jobs.
Yes,
So
sir.
people comment, and people comment with their phone number, people comment with their email ID, which is wrong.
Yes, sir.
You can just say your intent. Person has to do hard work. He has to see your profile. He has to make observation. And also, like me, I have a very sharp eye. I can make out a person is a fake or person is a real. I can make out. So you can also do. It's matter of experience. Or it's matter of, see, I tell you, it is matter of greed. Greed, how I will tell you. when we are desperate. This is what, even in sales, you know, I don't manipulate. I don't tell people lie. I take all the sales on upfront and just straight away, not the man. See what happens when we are desperate for the job. That time, if our eyes are closed, eyes means the sixth sense, eyes.
Yes, sir.
If these are closed, so this is not his fault. This is your fault.
Okay, sir.
So you can do one thing. Don't keep a negativity around, but be a sensible mind. That's fine.
Okay, sir.
You
Thank
can
so
judge
much, sir.
who is what. I think you can make out. Or sometime you can use person like me. This guy, can you recheck if this profile is genuine or not? Maybe I will give you opinion.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
That's so nice of you, sir. Thank you so much. We all will be connected in terms of these
Yeah.
kinds.
No, it
in
will
any
carry on.
kind of-
Actually, see, I tell you one thing.
Um,
This is, for the moment, we focused only on LinkedIn, but I wanted to speak about, you know, the attitude and the other things which are the X factor required for work or getting job, or global attitude, what people need, or the social attitude, what people. I think that session also we can keep. Maybe I will involve for 10 minutes my daughter also. So when she speak, you know, people get immediate mileage that nothing is impossible, and really so many things can happen without the foot, like with full disability also. So that type of point we can take next time. Yeah.
I think that is it. Is there anyone who has something in their mind or would like to interact with sir? Certainly, he is open for LinkedIn connections, but in live session, if you would like to just interact with sir, it's an open opportunity for everyone. I think they have learned a lot, sir.
No, it's okay. It's okay. They have learned a lot, or they have not learned at all.
No, not like well, certainly.
No,
But
it's okay.
he's guiding us in so many other things as well.
No, I tell you, this type of session, actually, everybody doesn't have this feeling of asking, actually. But what I can see like tens of requests on my profile. So that say it all, actually.
Absolutely.
Because it happens, you know, and when people join, then people might interact. Even you know, the session I did in 2018, this year, 5-6 students, they came back to me. They said, we remember that sentence, and it changed our life, and this thing helped. So there are tacit ways, so many things going on, which I call it familiarity. So this go back in mind, which is subconscious mind. And then when they really approach LinkedIn, this is what I say. See, I'm ready to do this session after 6 months. I don't mind. You know why? This can be session 2. And we can go briskly 10 minutes about the session and 50 minutes on the other thing. Then people might ask questions. It happens. When they face that, like these two people, if you say Abhishek and Ankita, they are coming with a real problem. That means they are using it.
Yes,
That is the one.
very true.
No, we are okay. Yeah.
Right. So I think we'll summarize it here. Right, sir. I would once again like to thank you for your valuable time, sir. And especially you have been taking out time. And I know you are you are been following a different time schedule altogether. You're from Dubai. What time, sir, it has been?
Oh, it was 9 o'clock. I like started. Yeah.
Okay, sir. So thank you once again, sir.
You're welcome.
Can summarize it in a simple word or a simple statement which says network is net worth.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's it, sir. Thank you so much for your valuable time once again, sir.
Welcome.
See you soon in Jaipur, sir.
Yeah. Sure. I'm
Very
looking forward.
next time to India, sir.
Yeah. Done.
Thank you once
Yeah.
again.
Okay.
Take your leave, sir.
Thank you. Okay. Right. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
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 Stay back.
Thank you.
I would request the students to stay back, please.
Okay. I can take a leave. Yeah. Okay.